Hi everyone. Welcome to MindBlend, where we explore the art of enhancing your mental health and relationships. Today, we dive into an intriguing topic: increasing happiness in your relationships. Happiness is not just a state of mind, but a key component that can significantly impact your relationships and overall mental health. So are you ready to embark on this journey to a happier relationship? If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Communication, the cornerstone of any successful relationship, but how does it increase happiness? Imagine, if you will, a garden. A relationship is much like this garden. If you wish to see beautiful blooms and lush greenery, you must tend to it regularly. And the most vital tool in your gardening kit? That's communication. So what does this look like in a relationship? Well, it begins with open, honest, and respectful dialogue. It's about expressing your thoughts, feelings, and desires without hesitation or fear of judgment. It's about laying your cards on the table and trusting your partner to do the same. This openness not only builds trust, but also cultivates an environment where both individuals can thrive. But remember, communication isn't just about talking. It's also about active listening and understanding. It's about giving your partner the space to express themselves and really hearing what they're saying. It's about understanding their perspective, their feelings, and their needs. This isn't always easy, but it's essential. Think of it this way: when you truly listen to your partner, you're not just hearing their words, you're understanding their world, their dreams, their fears. This understanding forms the bedrock of empathy, compassion, and ultimately, love. And what about those times when communication breaks down? When words fail, when misunderstandings arise? Well, that's when respectful communication comes into play. It's about addressing the issue at hand without attacking the person. It's about expressing your feelings without blaming your partner. It's about finding a solution together rather than winning an argument. So you see, communication is not just about words. It's about connection. It's about understanding. It's about respect. And all these elements, when combined, create an environment of safety, trust, and love. An environment where happiness can not only exist, but flourish. So next time you're in a conversation with your partner, remember this. Remember to speak honestly, listen actively, and communicate respectfully. Because in the end, your relationship is worth it. Remember, good communication is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, but listening as well. Sharing is caring, isn't it? But did you know it also applies to responsibilities? Indeed, one of the secrets to a happier relationship is the sharing of responsibilities. This doesn't mean just divvying up the household chores or splitting the bills. It goes beyond that, into the realm of emotional and mental work, the intangible labor that often goes unnoticed. Why is sharing responsibilities so important? Well, it's simple. Relationships are a partnership, a team, if you will. And what happens when one team member is overworked and the other is not? There's an imbalance. The scales are tipped, and not in a good way. This imbalance can lead to resentment, frustration, and ultimately a decrease in happiness. By sharing responsibilities, you're fostering a sense of teamwork. You're saying, we're in this together. Your burdens are my burdens, and my joys are your joys. It's about mutual respect and understanding. It's about knowing that you have each other's backs, no matter what. But how do you go about sharing responsibilities? It starts with open communication, understanding each other's strengths and weaknesses, and coming up with a plan that works for both of you. It's about being adaptable, understanding that circumstances can change, and being willing to reassess and adjust as needed. Remember, it's not about keeping score. It's about supporting each other, lifting each other up, and working towards common goals. It's about creating an environment where both of you feel valued and appreciated. Sharing responsibilities can also create a sense of accomplishment. When you work together to achieve a common goal, it can bring about a sense of satisfaction that can further enhance happiness. It's like that feeling you get when you complete a puzzle or win a game. It's a shared victory, and shared victories are always sweeter. So, the next time you find yourself shouldering all the responsibilities, take a step back. Have a conversation, come up with a plan, share the load. Balancing responsibilities creates harmony and mutual respect, a recipe for happiness. Time, the most precious gift you can give to your loved one. But what does quality time really mean? It's a term we often hear, but its meaning can often be elusive. Quality time isn't just about spending hours together. It's about being present, giving your undivided attention, and creating shared experiences. It's the moments when you put away your phone, shut out the world, and focus solely on each other. Quality time is about fully engaging in the moment and truly connecting with your partner. Spending quality time together is an investment in your relationship. It's like adding fuel to your relationship's engine, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. When you spend quality time with your partner, you're creating shared memories and experiences. These shared experiences act as a glue, bonding you closer together and strengthening your relationship. These moments can be anything that brings you joy and happiness. It could be a quiet dinner at home, a walk in the park, a shared hobby, or even just talking about your day. The activity itself is not as important as the connection and the shared experience. Quality time is also about showing your partner that they are a priority in your life. By carving out time in your busy schedule to focus on your relationship, you're sending a strong message. You're telling your partner that they matter, that you care, and that they are important to you. But remember, quality time isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. What works for one couple might not work for another. It's about finding those activities and moments that resonate with you and your partner. It might take some trial and error, but that's part of the journey. So take the time to discover what quality time looks like in your relationship. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Because at the end of the day, it's these shared experiences and moments that create the tapestry of your relationship. Remember, it's not about the quantity of time, but the quality that counts. Make every moment count, because those moments, those shared experiences, are what will deepen your bond and increase the happiness in your relationship. What's the secret ingredient to a happy relationship? It's a mix of appreciation and affection. Now let's dissect this secret ingredient. Appreciation and affection are like the sunshine and rain for a plant. They're essential for growth, and in the context of relationships, they foster happiness and contentment. But how does one show appreciation and affection effectively? It's not about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the little things that show your partner you care. Appreciation, the first part of our secret ingredient, is about acknowledging the efforts of your partner. It's about saying thank you for the small things they do, like making coffee in the morning or taking care of a sick child. It's about recognizing their hard work, whether it's at their job or in maintaining the household. Appreciation is about making your partner feel valued and important. It's about showing them that you notice their efforts and that you don't take them for granted. Affection, on the other hand, is about showing love. It's about the gentle touch on the arm when you walk by, the loving look you give each other from across the room, the shared laughter, and the warm hugs at the end of a long day. Affection is about expressing your love in a way that your partner can feel it. These small gestures of appreciation and affection are like drops of water that fill up the happiness bucket in your relationship. They might seem insignificant on their own, but over time, they accumulate and make a significant impact. They make your partner feel loved, valued, and cherished. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, we often forget to show appreciation and affection. We get caught up in our routines and forget to say thank you or to give a warm hug. But remember, it's these small gestures that make a big difference in the happiness quotient of your relationship. So take a moment today to show your partner some appreciation and affection. Let them know how much you value them. It doesn't take much, but it can mean a lot. A little appreciation and affection go a long way in nurturing happiness. So, increasing happiness in your relationship isn't rocket science, is it? It boils down to essentials that we often overlook in the bustle of our daily lives. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed today. We started with communication, the lifeblood of any relationship. Remember, it's not just about talking, but also about listening. Engaging in open, honest conversations, expressing your thoughts and feelings, and understanding your partner's perspective can profoundly impact the happiness quotient of your relationship. Then we moved on to sharing responsibilities. This isn't just about dividing chores or managing finances. It's about supporting each other, being a team. When you share responsibilities, you share life, making your bond stronger and your relationship happier. Quality time was our next stop. This isn't about being together 24/7. It's about making the most of the time you have together. It could be a simple dinner date, a walk in the park, or even a quiet evening at home. It's these moments that weave the beautiful tapestry of your relationship. Lastly, we talked about the power of appreciation and affection. A simple thank you or a warm hug can work wonders. Never underestimate the magic of expressing love and gratitude. So there you have it, the key ingredients to a happier relationship. Practice them, cherish them, and watch your relationship bloom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video with your friends. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on MindBlend. Goodbye.